Hey guys, my name's Oscar and I'm the sole founder here at Planzo. If you didn't already know, Planzo AI is pretty much an all-round AI solution for content creation in all types of businesses. The software is tailored for literally anyone you can imagine, from business owners, content creators, marketers, all the way to e-commerce brands. This software literally works for you. If I'm completely honest, you're never going to struggle finding a use for Planzo. Anyway, let me show you guys exactly how this product works. Then once you click that link, just go ahead and sign up. Now we are taken to the onboarding process. So here, I'm going to go for personal brand because that's what I'm trying to create here. First and last name, this is mainly used to tailor the dashboard for you. It's never really going to be given to the AI to generate ideas for you, but it's just a nice extra touch. So here we have talking head videos, text overlay videos, or mixed format. So for me, I find the best mix is to go for mixed format since it gives you video ideas for all types of content. What niche is your account? So for me, I'm going to go entrepreneur/motivation. You can choose from any of these, or you could input your own niche here. Then how often you want to post on your account. This just helps the AI focus on the quality or the quantity, so it's how long you want to spend editing each video. So for me, I'm going to go 3 to 5 times per week. There we are, that is all of the onboarding complete. Now let's generate our first lot of ideas. So content niche, entrepreneur motivation, target audience, we're going to go young entrepreneurs aged 13 to 18. And for video type, we're going to go educational and motivational. Then if you have some ideas for your videos, you can add them here. So maybe you want to specifically make a day in the life, maybe a variation of a day in the life, you can add it in here. But for me, I'm just going to let the AI do its magic. Here we are, a few seconds later, we have 5 ideas. Each time you click generate, you'll be given 5 completely unique ideas. I made sure that AI will never repeat your ideas, so don't worry about that. You're always going to be getting the most original, the most authentic content tailored for you. I think I like this one more, since it gives you a quick value proposition and it tells you exactly what the video is going to tell you about. So we've saved the idea, so now we can see the idea and saved ideas, and now we're going to add it to the content calendar. Here you can choose the color for the idea, we'll go red, and we'll choose the date. So let's say we want to post it tomorrow. We'll add it to calendar, and there we are. We can see it in our calendar for tomorrow. This just basically tells you, it sorts out your entire content schedule, so you'll never miss a post. You'll know exactly when you need to edit stuff. You'll know exactly when you need to post stuff, when you need to film stuff, all of that kind of thing. So it really does help with the organization aspect of content creation. Then another big feature we have is the content planner. So firstly, we're going to add some columns. We're going to add ideas. We're going to add to film, to edit, and finally to post. So then we're going to drop our video idea in. Here we are, how I turn $15 to $500. Here we are, we've got it in the ideas. Then if I need to film this video idea, we drag it into the to film section, and then we'll get that filmed. Then as soon as we've done that, we'll drag it over to the to edit section. This basically helps you track the progress of all your ideas, just so you never stay stagnant on an idea. You're always moving to the next step when it comes to content creation. Then finally, you drag it to post, which basically means the idea is fully completed. Then eventually, once you posted the idea, you'll be able to delete it and start the process over all over again. The next feature we're going to look at is the script generator inside of Planzo AI. So here, we're going to use a saved idea, and here's the idea we're going to choose. Then we're going to choose a content style. So for me, I think inspirational is quite good, but actually, we're going to use the informative one, just so we can get the value proposition straight away. For duration, we'll go with 75 seconds, and we're going to add a hook here. So this is also leaning into the hook generator, so we'll generate new hooks. It's already got the saved idea. Already have some ideas for your hook. No, we don't. Let's just start generating. Here we are, a few seconds later, we've got 4 unique hooks in 4 unique categories. So I'm going to go with this one. I've saved it, and I've applied it to my idea. Then you can already add your rough script if you've got a rough kind of structure that you want to follow, but for me, I don't, so I'm just going to click generate and go ahead and do it. Here we are, we have got our 75 second, as you can see, it estimates your reading speed, and you can also input your reading speed in the settings to get a more accurate time schedule. But here we are, we've got a full schedule, we've even got some behind the scenes prompts that you guys need to add in your editing software, all of that kind of thing. The software does literally everything for you. Then if we're happy with the script, we can click save to idea, and then this will get saved to the database. So when you go into saved ideas, then you want to go and edit your idea, you will see the script here, saved here. The final thing I'm going to show you is the hook generator, which I've already technically showed you guys, but I'm going to show you it again, just so you know exactly what it does. You'll pick your saved idea, or you create your own idea here, and you'll click generate by selecting it here. As you can see, it has generated me 4 ideas. We've got question hooks, static hooks, story hooks, and challenge hooks. You can also select which ones you don't want it to generate and which ones you want it to generate. So if you want to focus on static hooks, you can deselect all of these and it will only generate you 4 static hooks. But I like variety. I think the AI does a great job of depicting each style, so I let it have complete creative freedom and I pick which one sounds the best. So this time I think statistic hook works the best, and we're gonna save that, and it will now appear in the saved hooks section. Anyway, that's about it. If you have any questions on what the software does or how the software will really help you, just leave them below in the comments and I'll be sure to get back to you.